This is the current outside temperature. It's like hovering between 91 and 92. Alright, let's go outside, shall we? Okay, so this is the heat pump that thermostat I just showed you belongs to. I filmed it about a month and a half ago. Carrier Performance Series. And I don't know if that's the condensate drain right there or if that's from the gutter. Very quiet. It's hot as hell right now. Not many of these are running right now. Those two aren't running. You know what, I think that 2 nominal ton back there is running. Where's that Oh, that's this other one. There's the 2 ton right there not running. And all of these are Performance Series except this one, which is a Comfort Series. They're all from 2008. And the last video I made of this unit wound up being like 15 minutes long. So I'm just going to do a little shorter video. Yeah, this is the one for the building where I know the people. Hopefully I'll be able to get a video of it defrosting this winter. Steps are rotted out. Some more up there. More Performance Series heat pumps up there. At least one of them's running. Can't tell if both of them are running. The battery on this camera's already starting to wear out. Hopefully the old round ones are running. You know what? I think they are. Let's go take a look. Is that just the Duquesne? Yeah, that one's not running. The Duquesne's running. Yeah, that is an 84. Let's see if I can find a round one running. That's what I'm looking for right now. That is a Pain. And there's that really noisy 03 silencer system. Not running. think that one might be running. Perfect. That's just what I came for. No, that one's not on. There's a pane. Bunch of Carrier Tech 2000s. You know, I wouldn't be surprised if the ground ones don't even work anymore. Damn it, none of them are running. Yeah, these are all from 1984. $91 today and none of the round ones are running. I'm surprised. Can't believe none of them are running. Thought today would be a perfect day to get a video of them running in cool mode. Unless that one turned on. That one is like really sagging and sinking into the ground there. Well, I'm bound to get a video of one of the Performance Series heat pumps run or defrosting this winter. Hey, these are all from '84. So that gives me a good idea of when the building was originally built. Yeah, one half has all brand new, or not brand new, but 3-year-old Carriers. And then this one has a mixture of old and newer units. I don't think any of these units are brand new. Let's see what year the paint's from. Oh, that's from '08. So the paint's 3 years old, just like the Carriers. And then both of the silencer systems are from 2003. And I don't feel like climbing back in these bushes to look at the heat pumps. I've had bad experiences in terms of itchiness when I go back here to look at these damn heat pumps in these bushes. There's a Tech 2000, Pain Teardrop. Let's see if it's easy to get back here. Carrier. And the battery's about to die. I can't believe I lost that freaking battery at that freaking car show. This is from 1992. And it would appear that it is a 3-ton. And there's a Pain Teardrop that isn't running. And it looks like the last one, this video is going to wind up being like over 10 minutes long. Go figure. I get so wrapped up when I come to these huge properties where I have permission to film and I just lose track of time. Actually, technically, I have permission to film on the other side. I don't think I'm not supposed to film over here, but I haven't asked anyone over here. But people have seen me filming over here and they don't seem to have a problem with it. There's a bird on top of that unit. That's that pane that's making all that noise. Alright, let's go take a look at the performance series again. Then I am going to stop by 7-Eleven and get a nice cold Slurpee. I am dying for a cold beverage right now. "92 degrees. I am dying for a cold beverage." Alright. Unit's right there again. Alright. Alright. Back where we started. Alright. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.